Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some healthy 3-ingredient sweet treats. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You're going to start with about 3/4 cup of rolled oats, place them in a skillet, and toast them over the burner. Like that. And now you're going to pour them into a container. Save a little bit of the oats for later. Now blend them up. And there you have toasted oat flour. And now I have some whole pitted dates. If you don't have dates, you could use raisins. And I'm going to blend those up. Add the dates to the oats. And mix up. And roll them into balls. And if you like, you can flatten them down. Or if you like, you can shape them like this. And I melted some chocolate. You can do it in the microwave or over some hot water. Spread that on your treat and sprinkle with a bit of the reserved oats. Like that. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these 3-ingredient healthy sweet treats. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.